Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, go into menu and access calendar. After that, you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, customize your event however you wish to, by for example adding a title. You can also change color, pick starting hour or ending one over here and tap done or turn off this feature by clicking on all day. You can also change email, set up an alarm clock, minutes or hours before the event, choose location over here, and even take notes. When you're ready, choose save at the bottom right corner over here, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you need to tap on it, then click on it again and select delete at the bottom right corner. Over here, confirm your choice by tapping on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!